If you have the same issue on your Honda Accord, you try to close your trunk and trunk doesn't close, it keep popping up and beeping, then we will fix in this video. I have a fixed already in mind, so I just remaking videos. So if anybody have the same issue, they can fix. After searching video, I didn't find any on YouTube directly telling you what's the issue, but I have seen a lot of Google question answer where people say this key fob have anti-kidnapping or something, like if you have a key fob in your trunk it will not close. But I don't have it in my mind, I have my key, but I have done something. Which one is? I have my key fob inside the trunk. I tell you what is that. As you can see, I have this box. I have all assorted keys inside, like my whole other house, like I have rental properties, whatever. I have all the keys over here. So basically what we do, any spare key we save it here. So yesterday I was going to my one of the other property and I put like all the key inside, so I don't want to pick up only one key. So any key will fit. So basically as soon as I take this cup out, it got locked. I'm gonna put it back again and I show you what that mean. Like I have my this car spare key inside. If I leave it inside, try to close, it will not, because same key I have inside here. If I pull it out, you close, it's closed. So you have to look inside. You have left your spare key inside, or you have a key in your pocket or too close. Maybe put it away and your trunk will be locked. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.